so long. Can't remember when that I liked restaurants less than I do now. I like travel, can't imagine how. Boss says no, I can't go home, gotta drop this load. Oh, I wish he'd go down where you'd never catch a cold. The road goes on and on without a turn, it never seems to end. I've so much to learn. Gotta keep moving cause I need the bread, there are no jobs back home. I got a wife and kids to feed, I keep moving homes. Honey, don't worry, I'm feeling fine, it'll go round me, it's in my mind. Gotta find a way to make these loose ends meet, put good food on the dinner plates and shoes on the children's feet. Coming off the open road so I'm not always gone, pulling off the highway to find my way back home. Am I just dreaming here, or are we really free? Can we start all over, or will we always be locked up tight into this game, condemned in life to be always serving others who lord it over me? Can I jump in my truck at 8:30 and head for home? Leave that rotten trailer behind, don't need it no more. Park truck in the driveway and lose the key, start our lives all over with you beside me. We'll take our lessons learned, find a brand new key, we'll have no dues to pay, at last we're free.